Before investing in Kibo Eclipse for your dropshipping business, there are a few things you should know. In this video, we're breaking down the 12 key points that will help you decide if Kibo Eclipse is right for you. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how it stacks up against its competitors, so stay tuned. First off, Kibo Eclipse offers a comprehensive dropshipping solution, allowing users to build stores from scratch and automate processes. But how does it compare to other tools like Shopify or WooCommerce? Well, Kibo Eclipse emphasizes a streamlined, beginner-friendly approach with fewer complexities, which can be appealing for those who don't want to deal with the steep learning curve that comes with some other platforms. Next thing, Kibo Eclipse focuses heavily on automation. This feature is a game changer, especially for new dropshippers, because it reduces the need for constant manual effort. The software can automate product sourcing, pricing updates, and even order fulfillment. If you're comparing it to something like Oberlo, Kibo Eclipse takes it a step further by giving users complete control over their product selection and customization, making it feel more like a custom solution rather than a generic store setup. The third thing you should know is that Kibo Eclipse has an integrated marketing system. Unlike Shopify, which often requires third-party integrations for things like email marketing, Kibo Eclipse has built-in tools that allow you to create and run ads, track performance, and even automate marketing campaigns. This could save you a lot of time and effort, especially for dropshipping newcomers who aren't familiar with setting up integrations on other platforms. Next thing, the pricing structure is a bit higher than basic dropshipping tools like Shopify's basic plan, but it's packed with features that justify the price tag. You'll get access to premium templates, high-level training, and even some AI-driven tools that make running your store much easier. If you're looking for a platform that comes with all the bells and whistles right out of the box, Kibo Eclipse may be worth considering, even if it's a bit pricier. The fifth thing to note is that Kibo Eclipse includes training for both beginners and experienced dropshippers. Their tutorials are designed to take you from start to finish, guiding you through setting up your store, finding profitable products, and marketing them. While Shopify also offers resources, Kibo Eclipse's all-in-one approach can save you time by consolidating everything in one place. The sixth thing is its product sourcing capabilities. Kibo Eclipse boasts partnerships with suppliers that allow for a fast and efficient product import process, something that might take longer on other platforms, especially when manually sourcing products from multiple suppliers. This can make a big difference in terms of speed and reliability for your business. The seventh thing you should be aware of is the customer support. Kibo Eclipse offers solid customer service with a dedicated support team available via chat, email, and phone. It's worth comparing to platforms like WooCommerce or Shopify, where you may need to rely on community forums or external customer service channels for support. Next up, Kibo Eclipse works well for both beginners and intermediate users, but it's important to note that more advanced dropshippers might find it limiting in some areas. The platform is designed for simplicity, so if you're used to having total customization control, you may feel restricted in certain aspects compared to open-source solutions like WooCommerce. The ninth thing to consider is the scalability of your business. While Kibo Eclipse is optimized for smaller to medium-sized stores, it's not necessarily the best choice for scaling to large enterprises. Shopify, for instance, has more extensive options for high-volume businesses, making it a better fit if you plan to go big. The 10th thing is its integration with other software tools. Kibo Eclipse does have some integrations with third-party applications, but it's not as robust as what you might find with Shopify. If you're already using certain tools for your dropshipping business, you'll want to check the compatibility with Kibo Eclipse before committing. The 11th thing is that Kibo Eclipse offers a trial period, which gives you a risk-free chance to explore the platform before fully committing. However, keep in mind that the trial doesn't give you full access to all the features, so it's a good idea to carefully review what's available during that time. Finally, the 12th thing to know is that Kibo Eclipse is a great option for dropshipping beginners or anyone looking for a simplified platform to get started. Its ease of use, automated features, and marketing tools make it stand out. But if you're looking for something that offers more flexibility or scalability, there are other options worth exploring. All in all, Kibo Eclipse is a solid choice for those who want a simple, automated dropshipping platform.